anything you
You know
think.
what? So like you said something there.
Yeah,
There's no shortage of money, and
yeah.
sometimes we get stuck in our own bubbles, and we,
Mhm.
with our relatives and our friends, and we get used to
Yeah,
whatever that bubble means, right?
yeah,
Maybe it means mediocrity. Maybe it means 100,000 to 200,000 a year. Maybe it means 50,000 to 100,000. Whatever that bubble is. I'll tell you
yeah,
what. Go down to downtown Miami, right, and then think about that. I'm
yeah,
telling you, man. When we were there, I was like, God, it was so refreshing because it was just, yeah, I feel like I'm doing all right in life.
yeah,
And then we go down there and I'm like, oh my God,
yeah.
I am miserably poor. Right.
I
So
know.
it's a really good refresher. So
Yeah, it's a
don't get
reminder.
comfortable too.
It's a reminder what the world is, but you know what? You got to put yourself in those rooms because it is great. Because okay, well now I'm hungry. Now I want like we decided to actually go out and now get some Airbnbs in that area because we see the opportunity, and that's the thing though. Like when your eyes are not open to the world and you don't know what opportunities are around you, like you don't know how to identify them. They pass you every single day. And I think we're talking about that the other day. I don't know if it was with your reticular activating system, your RAS, reticular activating system. Let's just say that you go out and get a new Toyota, a new Camry. I guarantee you that when you get out of that parking lot, you are going to see a whole bunch of Camrys everywhere. Same thing. You open your eyes about being successful, and I guarantee you're going to see success everywhere else. And it's not that all of a sudden it happened to me. No, it's been passing you in front of you, and you've been so blind about not seeing the opportunity that is in front of you. But then that's what we want to make sure that you see. We want to open your eyes so you are successful. So, because at the end of the day, we could give you all the tools, but if you don't go ahead and open your eyes and apply them and network, it's pointless. But we want to make sure that we put you in the place with a 16,000 square feet mansion with all of the luxuries that you guys are about to have so you guys can see what's possible in your life because each one of you can have it. So let's go, baby. Salute.
Let's go. Hey, I will salute that.